everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make breaded meat. So if you miss your schnitzel, you miss your spicy wings, or you miss fried chicken legs, then this video is absolutely for you and you should keep watching. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Yvette and I do videos just like this one with Vince, who is missing today. And we cover cooking basic, delicious cakes and keto basics. So if this is something for you, definitely hit that red subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. It definitely helps the algorithm and it definitely helps that you get more of our videos. So now let's get cooking. So for this breaded meat, we need any type of meat. I'm gonna go with chicken breast. It's 800 grams. And then you need almond flour, coconut flour, eggs. You can choose coconut oil or butter for the frying, it's your choice. And some basic spices. I go with sea salt, black pepper, and just an all-purpose spice mix to just give a good taste to them. Oh, this is already sliced up. This is perfect. But if it's not the case for you, I suggest you slice it up and make these very thin layers. Very good. They already thought about that I want to make this. Okay, some of them needs to be maybe a bit flatter. Fine for now. Okay, so I placed my chicken breast into the pot and I'm gonna spice it ahead of time. We will add some black pepper, some salt, and some all-purpose spices of your choice. Good, and now we will mix this together. Very good, and this is ready. And now we will prepare the eggs and the different flours. I'm going to use 6 eggs and just quickly put them into the bowl. Quick clean up. Alright, so the production line here is the following. The first bowl is almond flour, then your eggs, and the last one is your coconut flour. And now we're just gonna take a piece of meat, turn it into the almond flour, just like this. Put it into the egg. Put it into your almond flour. Voila, ready to go. I'm almost done. However, when you get crumbs like this into your almond flour, that's the last layer, then you need to take them out because they will stick to the meat and they will burn when you fry them, and that's not so nice. So try to get this nice flawless flour, or if it's very crumbled like mine, as you can see, then just throw it out, get a new almond flour layer, or just try to get them out of the way. And now all our chicken breasts are breaded and they look like normal schnitzels. Super nice. You can do this with any type of meat. It would work the same way. And now let's quickly clean up and let's fry these chickens. And now we are ready to fry our chicken breast. I used butter because I really don't like when my meat tastes coconut oil. But it's your choice. You can go with whatever you like. And now you're just gonna place your breaded chickens into the butter, just like this. Very good. And I will put it to medium heat and fry them very quickly. And now you can see our first breaded chicken breast is ready and looks just like any normal schnitzel would do. And now I will keep going with this huge pile of schnitzel and I will get back to you in about half an hour. I hope you tried the schnitzel by now and you like it. If you do, give me a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. It's really helping our channel to expand. It's helping the algorithm on YouTube. So please do that. And now let's get some more schnitzel and see you in another video.